everyone, and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we have a really fun project. So I'm going to be trying out these two new molds that I got from Resin. This one is a Lollipop mold, and I also have a Popsicle mold. After they're made, you can use them for display or you can use them as ring holders. And this set also comes with the Popsicle stick and the Lollipop sticks. To color the resin, I'm going to be using the Resin Neon Powder. This is a set of 12. And just take a look at these colors. These are so bright. I just love them. I can't wait to see how they turn out in the resin. And the epoxy resin I'm going to be using is also from Resin. Go to the description for the Amazon links for everything that I'm using today. Alright, let's get started. As always, when working with epoxy resin, always wear gloves and also be in a well-ventilated room. Let's go ahead and start by mixing some resin. To help with the mixing, I'm going to be using the Resin mixer. We're going to split them into 6 cups and add the colors. I've picked out 6 neon colors. So I'm trying to make the colors very bold, so I use quite a lot of mica powder, and this is why it's taking a while for me to mix it. So I'm seeing the little spots here. I'm just trying to blend it in so that we don't get too many unmixed mica powder inside our resin. But overall, this mica powder is actually really easy to mix. And I'm okay taking a little bit longer with this because I actually want the resin to be a little bit on the thick side before I pour it so that it doesn't mix too much. I was hoping that we could see layers of colors. So if it's too liquidy, then the resin colors will mix too much. But if they're a little bit thicker, then the colors won't blend as much. So while we wait, I'm going to go ahead and just keep mixing to make sure we get those mica powder broken up and mixed in. Let's also add a little bit of glitter. And let's start pouring. Alright everyone, and we are ready to demold. So our resin is cured and I'm a little bit nervous. Just look at this underside. It seems like the colors did mix quite a lot, but hopefully they come out pretty good and not too muddled. So here is the Lollipop. This mold is super easy to demold. Here it comes. And here it is. The colors did mix quite a lot, so I was hoping for more stripes, but you know what? I really like it still. You can still see all the various colors. This looks super cool. So if you put it on here, it looks like your lollipop melted. Let's go ahead and pick a color. I think the gold one would work pretty well. So it looks like this. And oh my gosh, this is perfect. Where I am right now, it has been super hot. So if I did leave a lollipop on the ground for a few hours, I think it would definitely look like this. This is super cool. Okay, now for the popsicle. So you definitely want to wait a full day because there is quite a lot of pulling. If the resin is not fully cured, it might warp the shape. Okay, and here is our melted or half melted popsicle. Look at this. Oh, this one turned out really nice too. I should go with this silver one. Just like that. So right now this does come out pretty easily, but if you want, you can put some super glue and glue it down so that it's secure. Alright, this is super cool. So I really like the colors. As you can see, if you use a lot of it, they come out pretty solid, so you can't see through it at all. And the colors are really vibrant. But I think it'll be also fun to actually brush it on. So I think if you brush the mica powder onto the mold before you pour, it'll come out as a different kind of effect. So if you want to see me do that, just let me know down below in the comment section and I can do that in another video. Alright everyone, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye!